kinen, used for events, celebrations, special days, photos, and gifts. 記念、イベントやお祝い、特別な日、写真やプレゼントでよく使います。It is used mainly as a noun, also as a prefix before another noun, and as a sue verb. In plain terms, kinen is keeping the memory of an event or an item kept as a token of that event. ある出来事を忘れないようにする行い、またはそのために残す品や印のことです。The first kanji means record or write. It's about putting words down and keeping them. You see it in piroku and kiji. Think of marks that save information. The second kanji means thought or feeling. It suggests attention held in the heart or mind. You see it in gainen and nengan. It adds the idea of lasting intention. Today is our anniversary. 今日は記念日です。今日は記念日です。We took a photo to commemorate our graduation. 卒業を記念して写真を撮りました。卒業を記念して写真を撮りました。This is a souvenir of the trip. これは旅行の記念です。これは旅行の記念です。We will be holding a sale to celebrate the opening. 開店を記念してセールをします。開店を記念してセールをします。The most common synonyms of the word are shukuga and miyage. Shukuga overlaps with the event or celebration side, while miyage overlaps with the object or keepsake side. Kinen covers both the act of marking an occasion and the item kept as its sign. The most common antonym of the word is bokyaku, which is about forgetting and letting memories fade, while kinen is about keeping and marking memories.